Hello, everyone, and welcome to this new episode of French Class Teacher Podcast for learning French straightforward. Today, we are going to talk about two essential verbs, être and avoir. You need them to introduce yourself, describe things, talk about your age, feelings, and so much more that we will learn in this podcast. There are also exercises in PDF to practice that you can download. So, first, the verb être, which is to be in English. When to use it? We use être to say who someone is. Examples. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. Elle est guide touristique. She is a tour guide. You use also être to describe a person or a thing. Examples. Il est grand. He is tall. La maison est belle. The house is beautiful. You use it also to talk about a state or a situation. Examples. Nous sommes fatigués. We are tired. Ils sont en retard. They are late. You also use it to give a job or profession. Example, je suis médecin. I am a doctor. Il est artiste. He is an artist. Or to talk about a place or origin. Examples, je suis à Paris. I am in Paris. Nous sommes indiens. We are Indian. Now I will give you the conjugation at present tense of the verb to be, so être in French. I am, je suis. You are, tu es. He or she is, il ou elle est. We are, nous sommes. You are, formal plural. Vous êtes. They are. Ils or elles sont. Now let's talk about the verb avoir, to have. When you can use it to express a possession. Examples. J'ai un téléphone. I have a phone. Ils ont une grande maison. They have a big house. To talk about your age. J'ai 25 ans. I am 25 years old. Ma sœur a 10 ans. My sister is 10 years old. So you can see that in French, to give age, we use to have, avoir, but in English is I am. So you use also avoir to express physical sensations. Il a faim. He is hungry. Nous avons froid. We are cold. You also use avoir for fixed expressions. Examples. Tu as raison. You are right. Elle a peur. She is scared. Now let's talk about the conjugation at present tense of the verb avoir. I have, j'ai. You have, tu as. He or she has. Il or elle a. We have, nous avons. You have, vous avez. They have, ils, elles ont. So, of course, in French, because most of the people speak English, so there are different common mistake that you can do. So remember, in French for age, we use avoir, not être. Example, j'ai 20 ans. I am 20. We don't say je suis 20 ans. I am 20. It's incorrect. To describe someone, we will use être. Elle est gentille. She is kind. But we use avoir to say she has green eyes. Elle a les yeux verts. And about the weather, when you want to say it is hot, in French you say il fait chaud. We don't say il est chaud. It's incorrect. Okay? And little inappropriate. So after all this explanation and how you can use être and avoir, it's time to practice. So you will find a file with exercises to download to help you fully assimilate everything that we have studied yet. And if you want to learn more, of course, or improve your French, you can subscribe to the podcast to progress. À bientôt!